Hey everyone, this is Saurabh from simplyautomated.com, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can connect Microsoft Outlook to N8N. So the very first thing which you have to do is you need to sign into your N8N account, and for this video purpose I'm using the N8N self-hosted version on Hostinger. And once you're logged in, you need to click on create workflow. Then we need to click on add first step. We'll just choose trigger manually. Then we click on this plus sign and then we search for Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. And let's say we want to create an event. And here under credentials to connect with, you need to select that and then click on create new credential. And here you are going to see these different options. So if you're using the N8N cloud account, then you will just see the option to connect your Outlook account directly. But since I'm using the self-hosted version, I'm seeing all these different options. So here I need to enter a client ID and client secret ID. From where we are going to get it, we'll go into Open Docs. And here we are going to get these information. So it says register an application. So we need to click on this link and it will open up this option. This is under Microsoft Azure account. We need to click on new registration on the top, and then we need to enter a name. We'll say N8N YouTube demo. And under supported account type, we need to select the second option, which is the accounts in any organizational directory, any Microsoft Entra ID, tenant, multi-tenant. So we need to select that. And then under redirect URI, we need to select the option as web. Then we need to go back into N8N. We need to copy this OAuth redirect URL. We come back here again, then we entered the URL and then we click on register. Okay, as we can see, it has registered the application and we got a client ID. So we just copy that client ID, we go back into N8N and then we paste that client ID. And now we need the client secret ID as well. So for that, we need to go into manage, and then we need to go into certificates and secrets, and here we need to click on new client secret. We need to enter a description, connection with N8N, and then we need to click on add, and then we can see the client secret ID has been created. What we need to do is we need to click on this value. We need to copy this value and not the secret ID. We need to go in here and then we need to paste that, and then we can see this connect my account button which is enabled. We click on that and the connection is successful. All right, we can exit out and we can see how my account is created. We can select the calendar and we can do anything we want. The most important thing which you need to remember is you need to put in the value here and not the secret ID. This is what I was doing wrong, and I just wasted 30 minutes of my time figuring this out. So make sure you select the value and not the secret ID. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.